Hello viewers, welcome to another lecture of the digital communication. This lecture is totally conducted by Ganon powered by Wishback. This digital communication is very interesting subject in electronics and communication engineering. You have to practice it. You have to grasp the subject. Then you can grade the cream of the subject. Now, today we are going to discuss BPSK demodulation. Let us have a recap. What is this BPSK? The information bit 101 is transmitted through the medium. Then it will be transmitted through a carrier. So carrier is a high frequency signal. When the message signal is changed from 1 to 0, there is one phase change in the carrier. Also, when the message signal is changed from 0 to 1, there is another phase change. This concept is known as binary phase shift keying or BPSK. We have already discussed the transmitter of the BPSK. Today we are going to discuss the receiver of the BPSK. So BPSK signal is given by ST is equal to BT root 2p cos 2 pi FCT, where FC is the frequency of the carrier and P is the power of the message signal. After that, it is passed through a square law device, which will square the message signal. If the amplitude is normalized in case of the square law device, what will happen? The cos square 2 pi FCT plus theta. It will be simplified after the trigonometric identity 1 plus cos 2 into 2 pi FCT plus theta by 2, which is equal to half plus half into cos 2 into 2 pi FCT plus theta. It is then passed through a bandpass filter. Then a part will be passed through this bandpass filter and another part will be cut out. So the output will be cos 2 pi FCT plus theta. Next, BPSK signal and cos 2 pi FC3 theta plus theta is then applied to a synchronous demodulator or multiplier, the output of which is given by BT into root 2p cos 2 pi FCT plus theta into cos 2 pi FCT plus theta, which is equal to BT into root 2p cos square 2 pi FCT plus theta. Now all the term already discussed earlier. This is equal to BT into root 2p into 1 plus cos 2 into 2 pi FCT plus theta by 2. It can be written as BT into root p by 2 into within third bracket 1 plus cos 2 into 2 pi FCT plus theta. The bit synchronizer control S1 switch and S2 switch timing, and from the output of the integrator will produce the original message signal. The output of S2 is switch is S0 KTB, where K is a different time instant. So the binary message signal shown in the figure and its binary phase modulated by discussed earlier. After the demodulation using BPSK, it will be retrieved the original message signal. Next we are going to discuss the signal space diagram. The BPSK signal can be written as ST is equal to BT root 2p cos 2 pi FCT. It can be simplified to BT into root PTB into 2 by root PB into cos 2 pi FCT, where TB is the time period of the message signal. Now consider phi1t is equal to root 2 by TB cos 2 pi FCT and EB is equal to PTB. So ST can be written as BT into root over PTB into phi1t. Now we have discussed earlier that this BT may be plus 1 or minus 1 depending on signal transmitted either 0 or 1. So it is equal to root EB into phi1t. The plot is shown in the figure. The symbol 1 is represented by root EB and the symbol 0 is represented by minus root over EB. the distance between the 2 points, that means the 1 which is represented by EB and 0 represented by minus root over EB, is root EB minus of minus root over EB is equal to 2 root over EB. Let us discuss now the difference between the BFSK and the BPSK. If we consider the variable characteristic parameter, in case of the BFSK, the variable characteristics is frequency. But in case of BPSK, the variable characteristics is phase. What is the bandwidth? Bandwidth in case of BFSK is 4 FB. But in case of BPSK, it is 2 FB. The noise immunity in case of BFSK is high. In case of the BPSK, it is also high. The probability of error in case of BFSK is low. In case of BPSK, it is also low. The performance in presence of the noise, BFSK is better than ASK, but in case of BPSK, it is the best. The system complexity in BFSK is moderately complex, but in case of BPSK, as we have discussed earlier, it is very complex. The bit rate or data rate in case of BFSK is 1200 bits per second, but in case of BPSK, it is very high. The demodulation method in case of BFSK is envelope detection, but in case of BPSK, it is coherent detection. Now let us discuss the feature of BPSK. BPSK bandwidth is lower than BFSK. BPSK has minimum probability of error. Also, BPSK has good noise immunity. But obviously, BPSK has some disadvantage. What is the disadvantage? Guess? Okay. The BPSK receiver is very complex. Now, let us discuss the application of the BPSK. It is applied in wireless LAN and in radio frequency identification or RFID. So, what we have discussed in this section? In this section, we have discussed BPSK demodulation, signal space representation of the BPSK, BFSK and BPSK comparison. Then we discussed feature of BPSK. Next we discussed application and the disadvantage of the BPSK. So practice the subject digital communication, practice BPSK. Till then, bye.